Hey guys, how's it going? 18th day of February 2026. I've been just doing the basic adventure stuff at the boat show, and got Chicago coming up, and I've got the ultimate whatever. I appreciate the small views that I get. I get it every other day. So Chicago's coming up here, and I think I'm going to go to Orange Beach in May, but this channel wasn't every day for a long, long time to see if I could do it. It was fun doing it. But anyways, I was going to do like a walk and talk, which I love to do because you smoke a cigar when you walk around and talk about something. It's fun to do that. It's snowing in the great state of Minnesota. I was going to drop the engine lights back on the 2002 and couldn't get to it. So I said, that's no big deal. I'll do it tomorrow. Took 2 hours off work, just slow. We had our Olympic buffet. I brought my Swedish meatballs. I got the silver medal, and it's a $100 gift certificate. So Visa. Like, yeah, sweet. But it was fun. We always have one every month. We have something to do with that. So anyways. So I guess it could be kind of a double standard here, but I've knew Adam the Woo. I know Carpetbagger. I've known these people. I've always support anyone who take a camera like this. I have it right in front of me. It's the action. Take one of these out and go do something. I'll always support. I like Wonder Hussy, Wandering Gypsy. When the Woo was around, Carpetbagger, whatever else. And I know the man died and he's gone. I had sent him an email before and told the guy, hey man, you need to get to see the doctor because he was just getting bigger and just didn't look good. But whatever. He sent me on an email, on in the notes, right? He would answer and say, I get it, blah, blah, whatever. I saw Carpetbagger do one yesterday. He's going to see the doctor. Great. I'm happy for the guy. Carpetbagger lost, again, it's been well documented, got a divorce from his first wife because YouTube married to it. I do YouTube because I like it. I never went in to make money and monetize both channels. So what? Make 115 to 120 on Spreaker, do an audio podcast, which I put up on the Exploring channel. On my NFL show due today. What I make on that, that's what I've started in Blog Talk. But of this 2026 campaign, Jacob The Carpetbagger will crawl over the dead body of Adam the Woo. Like it or not, may not like it. They're going to get all pissed off. The Woovians now. There's only one Adam the Woo. Adam the Woo was who he was. And the Pasadena Productions like to pimp him. Now they have nothing else to talk about because the Woo was the Woo. I don't edit either. I know how to put them together, but I don't want to do it. Okay? And Jacob's the same way. Just put it together and put it up. And Adam the Woo was Adam. That's who he was. Okay? He was not where Carpetbagger is a character. I highly doubt he wears that hat to church when he spends time with his mom. If he had his way, he would just live with his mom and stop in once every 6 months and reload. Jenny Penny's the housekeeper. They got engaged. He got snipped. He went back because she's getting her dentures, whatever. Nice young lady. She's just taking care of the bottom line. And he is supported and subsidized by people that give him money. I don't give any money to any YouTuber. I will give you support by liking the damn thing and sharing it up on Twitter. That's all my Twitter is. It's all about YouTube. Things I like, whatever else. But he was at some place today again where he had met Adam the Woo. And, I know they're having a celebration of life that he'll be there and all this behavior going on. But it's let the guy rest. Carpetbagger, the Tampa J, the screaming on the roller coasters, these long hour 15 videos is far, far too long. And I don't get why they go that long. I try to keep my videos to 15 to 20 minutes. I'm talking to you guys, okay? In my car, I'm walking on the trail. That moved on walk and talks. I've done the same thing. I like walking through the woods with my cigar, but they're going to try to pimp and prostitute him for the whole of 2020. Justin Scarred went on some walking thing. Carpetbagger lost he said father, it's your stepdad. That's who he lost. It was like a blimp. And I get the people get so attached to YouTubers, but you can kind of tell when Adam the Woo would do a video with him, kind of like he kept his distance from Carpetbagger. Because Carpetbagger, like I said, I've seen him in Drunken Supers. What the hell is that one guy? His name, the Walking Diabetic, did that stuff on him. The hell, that guy likes Mountain Dew. Whatever his name, whatever. He's done stuff on him. I've seen this guy in a Drunken Stupor acting like a total moron with striking channels. what the hell was it? Camo Dave made a doll and shot it. Who does that? It's like when me and Papa were going at it or something. It's like me making up a Papa Grizzly thing and walking in the backyard with my 22 I got from my dad and shooting it. That'd be a very strange thing, and Papa would be like, "What the hell was that?" You know, that kind of behavior. It'd be weird because me and him would go back and forth, and I get it. Those days are gone. Legendary goat of YouTube. But it's a shame, you know. Like I said, I'm going to plant a tree back there in the forest back here on behalf of the Daily Woo. I got the tree picked out down in the woods down there, and I'll plant one. I gave some money to the Samaritan thing. Okay. Once one of my videos, I go, "Join me, shall you?" Whatever. And it was always funny how he did it. And he is the GOAT. And if he was so popular, why was he only getting 30, 40 grand a video? Why? Because what he does and what I do is, you know, what Carpetbagger does, and Lil Wonder Hussy and Tampa J and Chris the Witch, because people don't watch that kind of stuff anymore. They worry about live streaming, which, you know, I get. I live stream on here once in a while. I live stream over on my Sprocker. I just think you want to. I've told this to Wonder Hussy. She could do Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, 15-minute videos that have some kind of consequence to it, where Carpetbagger is doing these filler videos going back with Jenny Penny, the housekeeper. But it's a shame these creators are. One guy's giving out some stamps, whatever. I could make my own what do you want to call it? My own shirt, the Woo. I have a website I've used for one time thing. I can go on and get a picture of the guy. I've seen a really cool picture of the guy. And it's what the hell's a website called? I can't remember. It's Uber Prints. I made a shirt for Wonder Hussy. Said the queen of YouTube. I sent it to her. I don't know, she said thank you for fun, because I had a free shirt that I'd ordered for Bitch Boy Radio Network for somebody, and they gave me a free shirt. I said, well, I'll make one for the Huss, and I made it for it. Whatever. That's fun to do. I could make my own nice the GOAT, and with a picture of where the guy around, and support him. And not pimping, prostituting, making money on these. They're gonna have merch actually for this guy. It's like, come on, he got away from the merch. People will crawl over his dead body. Carpetbagger will do it in 2026. He's gonna go overseas with the housekeeper. He's gonna he's gonna drive around like the Woo want to do, Route 66, which I know the Huss is gonna do, and that's the 100-year anniversary of Route 66. Would be fun to go to. It'd be a gas. But you can think of the Daily Woo by go picking up garbage in your neighborhood. When he died, up around the corner up there, our last snowstorm, he was always about goodness. So what did I do? I went up there and I snow blowed the neighbor's driveway. She's a big wig at United, medical place. The guy was shot, and she's a big wig, VP. She came down and asked me, and I said, I have no idea who did it. The Woo did it. And because the trail led to my house, and I said, I guess the Woo did it. Just like I talked before on WK in Cincinnati, when Johnny Fever needed to bring someone over, and she goes, I'll just have Raul make it up. And she goes, who made this? Raul. So I've done a few things on his behalf. I bought a guy at work, his battery went out on his vehicle. I put it in. I used my money from my mother's estate, but that we have to give away. But I just told him, I said, the Woo. That's from the Woo. I helped somebody out the other day. I drove him someplace to bring him to their house and back. And they go, thank you very much. I go, it's for the Woo. Those kind of things that I do on behalf of the Woo. I mean, if I'm going to do something, like I said, I never subscribed to him. I knew who he was, and he was a good guy. But I put my name there. Yes, I have before. But I get it. Pimping and prostituting, but that's what he's going to do. It's pimping 101. Jacob The Carpetbagger will crawl over his dead body whole 2026. I mean, I think of my father and my mom every day, and my brother who died 12. Even though my sister died 8. I didn't like her. I think of her children and her husband somewhere down there in Sydney, Nebraska. And, you know, one person dies on YouTube. I hate to put it this way. It's one less person I got to deal with. But it's going to be a non-stop skullduggery, because the Woovians aren't going to really grasp Carpetbagger, because like I said, he is a character that he's playing with that stupid hat. The screaming on the roller coasters, saying that Tampa J, he tries to be something he's not. Hey, I am who I am. I saw the Woo when he got that that one he got kicked off the Wall of America. I saw him walking down, what was that? 34th, I think it was, whatever it was. Something like that. Whatever the street he was walking down, okay? But I saw him. I get it. He's a nice guy. But it's just this pimping and prostituting that is going to be going on with him in this 2026 campaign. And, you know, they have people want to go to his celebration of life in California. I guess you could get a bigger place to have the celebration and have the time of your life. But I don't know. I get it. You like the guy, but people will the one he did today was where he first met the guy, and it's this or that. I don't know. It's unfortunately that people will continue to crawl his body and pimp him. And you can do a lot in his behalf by simply doing something kind to somebody. Because Adam Wu was the kind of guy, if you met the guy, he sang pretty nice, where a carpetbagger would all of a sudden get out of his character. Okay? And I'm not saying it's mean, but he plays a character. Tampa J is trying to be somebody like Adam the Woo. Same thing with Chris the Girl. And Wonder Hussy always wears the same stuff all the time. You know, and she can't go anywhere unless she's talking YouTube, which is kind of sad. I go places with my wife, and I take this with me to take pictures for the calendar that I have at work, and my sister and the lady I used to work with. I take pictures with this all the time. We go to Chicago, I'll do some videos on this, I'll take pictures for our calendar. I just feel sorry for people like that can't relax and take a day off. I talked before, a guy at the airport wouldn't take a day off because he was afraid to miss tips. And what happened? He had a stroke. And pissed him on because you don't want to miss out. It's like, I gotta have sex every single day. But it's a lot of filler videos that Carpetbagger is going to do when he went back to see Jen in the bunker. Only when he went back to the hurricane because the house was flooded and she had car problems. When the accident, what did he do? Didn't go back, made excuses, drunken rage down in Florida. That's just not something you see from the Woo. Okay? Anybody else putting out his medical stuff, no one cares. You're type 2. I'm type 2. I don't care about it. I got this for my collection. Way to go, seaweed. But I don't know. I'm just kind of rambling on here, but he will crawl over the dead body of the Daily Woo. And he will use his name all summer long, and this or that. It's like, let the man rest. It's like, who was it, that one idiot who went down there in front of Blind Views? Line Screw 1 goes down there and shows his house. It's like, what is wrong with you people? What is wrong with you people? It's like, again, the Huss people would go by her house and knock on her window. She talked about that. It's like me, if he's alive, I'm going to walk around celebration looking for the Woo. Edward James Hubbard, I knew him from YouTube. He knew a guy that was running around in Colorado looking for somebody in Denver because he was a YouTuber he liked. You just gotta I don't know. Build a bridge, get over it. The man's dead, rest in peace. Spread goodness, and I get it. But let's not say we did is constantly tell the guy. And next year, the first anniversary, all kinds of stuff. Justin Guard is going on it, but I don't get it. But he will pimp and prostitute, and people aren't going to cross over to him because he's not the Woo. He's Jacob the Carpetbagger, who running on things doing 50 states. Jenny Penny, the housekeeper, whatever. So anyways, guys, I just figured do a video. Pimping 101, Jacob the Carpetbagger calling over the dead body of Daily Woo in 2026. From one dead channel to the next. I'll see you guys all later, okay? Go do some goodness on behalf of the Daily Woo, all right? Go do something substantial, all right? That's all I'm asking. Snowing here in Minnesota, gonna cover up the poop. So I see Canucks won in overtime, and this will be out tomorrow. So you guys have a good rest of February. The begging season's 9 months away. Before I know it, when the first one, you can start begging for money, and you'll have Halloween, and Carpetbagger will be able to do the haunts, and so will Jay, everybody else. Anyways, guys, I'll tell you guys all later. Ciao.